Now we're going to learn how to attach and operate a camcorder on a consumer tripod. So the first step is to carefully take the camcorder out of the bag. It is important that the camcorder doesn't go anywhere without the bag unless you are actively using it. So the first step you're going to want to do is take the slider out of the tripod to screw it onto the camcorder. You do that with a little lever in the back. And then on the bottom of the camcorder is screw holes, and you want to finger tight the slider into the camcorder. You use the little silver lever to finger tight. And then once you feel it's finger tight, you're going to use that lever on the consumer tripod again to slide it back onto the camcorder, back onto the tripod. The next step for using the camcorder is to flip open the screen so you can see what you were recording. Flip open the little switch on the front, which is already done, to open the screen on the camcorder. And then you're going to hit the silver button in the back to start recording. Now we're going to learn how to move the camera around. There are two handles, both have different jobs. One of them goes up and down and one of them goes side to side. The one that goes up and down and the one that goes side to side, you could both loosen and tighten to keep it in place. Once you find the spot, you tighten the handle and that will hold it in its vertical position. Once you want to move it side to side, you use the other handle and you loosen it all the way until you find the spot, and then when you find the spot you want to record in, you re-tighten it. You could tighten these just enough so they still have some movement, but they don't move unless you force it to. Now to take the camera off the tripod, you close the screen on the camera along with the lens, and you stop filming by pressing the silver button on the back. And now using that lever on the back of the tripod, you take the slider off and you unscrew it after previously finger tightening the screw. You could put the slider back on the tripod and you're going to put the camera carefully back into the bag. Hurry up. Now put the camera back in the bag and zip it up.